What do we have here? What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Got a new video for you guys today. Some more F-150 content. Wondering what this is? Let's go find out. All right, we shall see what is in the box. All right, so we're gonna see what is in this box here. A little unboxing video for you guys and girls. There we have it. Ooh. Brand new smoked LED taillights with the blind side on it. So guys, what we're gonna do now, we're gonna get to work. Let's get these things in. So we're gonna get these other taillights out and get the new ones in. All right, so install the taillights. Just need you a little socket set like this, and it is a 8mm socket. All right, so we're gonna get these taillights installed. Start out by taking them out of the package. Man, those look good. And let's get old taillights out. Really easy to do, guys. It might take you 10 minutes maybe to change these taillights out. It's really easy swap. Nothing to it, it's just these two screws right here. Alright, now that we've got it out, give it a little tug, like that right there. You want to come straight out with it, by the way. And you want to unhook right here. So there's the old taillight. All in good piece, one good piece. And the new one to go in. Already got two out. And you want to install the new one into the aftermarket, just like so. Plug it in. And make sure it all works. So before I bolt it in, I'm gonna go turn it on. Here's your little sneak peek of how it's gonna look. Let me see if I don't have my keys on me. smoked LED. Now let's get this other side done. Do the same thing on this side. 2 bolts.
Get that out. Same thing. I'm gonna pull straight back. Just like that. And once again, take this plug out. Now you're just gonna take this plug, like I said, just like the other side, plug it back in. Push it right back in just like that.
And we have got them in. All right, guys, so we got them back in. Got them installed. They look really, really nice. I really like them. See how it does with the cold start. There you have it. Smoked LEDs. All right, so now we are going to try the blinkers and everything, make sure everything works. And this is what they look like in the dark.